Oh, y'all seen in that last video, we have dirt bikes. Okay, that was Johnny's dirt bike. That was a 2006 CRF 70F. I have two of my own dirt bikes. They're on the way here, I guess, or some baloney like that. I have a 2003 TTR 125 and a 2006 CRF 80F, which it's being sold, which y'all never see probably. Y'all might. Probably won't. And then they have a folder here, some Honda or something like that. Then that's pretty much it. We're just explaining what we're doing here.
Yeah, pretty much.
That's Johnny talking, and you know.
I was the one who shot the last video, by the way.
Yeah, he didn't get outside. He should have. Okay, bye.